Hi everyone. In this tutorial series, I am going to show you how you can create a blog website using Laravel. So I will be using Laravel version 9 and Laravel Breeze package for the authentication. Laravel Breeze comes in with Tailwind CSS, so the design that we are going to develop will be using Tailwind. In this blog website, user will be able to create their account, log in into the system, or reset their password as well, which comes by default with the Laravel Breeze. Once the user is logged in, user can see all the blog posts that has been created by other users on the dashboard. User can click on any of the blog posts and see the detail of that post. Also, for creating the description of the blog post, we will be using CK editor, which allows us to style the text we want to add into the text area. From the blog detail page, user can also see the profile of other users and see all the blogs that have been created by that user. Users can also create new blog posts, which includes title, description, and an image file. On the dashboard, users can also filter out the blog posts. For example, if I want to see all the blog posts that has the title of demo, I can see that using the filter. We will also enhance this feature, so the filter will also apply on the description as well. User can see all the posts created by him in the profile page. From here, user will be able to edit, view, or delete the created blog posts. Let me log into an account. And if I go to profile page, I can see all the created blog posts. User can view any of the blog posts, edit any of them, or delete them. We will also be using this custom alert box, which is provided by Tailwind UI. And I will also show you how you can add the JavaScript in order to make these buttons work. So if I click on the delete button, I can see a notification that the blog has been deleted successfully. Also, this whole design will be responsive. So if I go into mobile view, you can see everything is responsive. You can also see the pagination at the bottom of the blog post. So as you can see that this project is very small, but it is a great place to get started if you want to practice what you have learned in Laravel. So let's get started building this blog application in the next video.